What is digital manufacturing and how it helps architects to design beautiful houses? Digital manufacturing, also known as digital fabrication, is a design and manufacturing workflow where digital data drives the manufacturing process. This innovative approach has significantly impacted the architecture industry, transforming the way architects design and build beautiful houses. So, how it works? Digital manufacturing involves starting with a design on a computer and ending with a precisely produced physical product. It ensures accuracy and precision and offers exciting new design opportunities. It has become influential in the architecture industry, blurring the lines between designing and making, and has led to a transition in the architecture, engineering and construction (AEC) industry. How does it help architects? Digital manufacturing has provided architects with a revolutionary toolset to create beautiful houses. The precision and accuracy of digital manufacturing ensure that digital designs become a reality, removing human error and allowing for the creation of unique structural components that were not possible to produce by hand. This has transformed the way architects work, enabling them to become makers, rather than just designers. What are the innovative design opportunities? With digital manufacturing, architects can explore innovative techniques such as concrete 3D printing, leading to the creation of structures and designs that were not previously feasible. This has opened up new ways of thinking and has expanded the possibilities for architectural design and construction. Explore the possibilities of digital manufacturing in architecture. Contact us today.